She's sleeping right now. And I gotta go to the store. I don't know if that shit or not. I'm in between.
So, do you think he had a bad reaction to the medication?
Oh,
or?
yeah, because he had 1, 2, 3 shots, and then the Benadryl later 4. So he had the rabies for the 3 years. Remember I told you, and then the other 2 shots. So yeah, a lot of drugs. He's little, of course. It's gonna give him a reaction.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Main
He's
Street.
vomiting, diarrhea, rash, very little. That it has happened, but it happened. So he did get the rash as well. And he just got fucked everywhere. Yeah. I spent so much money with him yesterday.
At the light, turn right to stay on Main Street, then turn right onto North Thurston Road.
You know? And then at 4:30, the stupid what do you call assistant? You know what she did?
What?
She's like, she put me on hold and kept putting me on hold, and she's like, well, only if you can make it to 5.
Turn right onto North Thurston Road, Ivy Hill Road.
So you're not gonna see him? You're not gonna accept him? Like, he's not good, you know? And because she obviously
continue on North Thurston Road for 1 mile.
She's like, no, just take him to the emergency room. So I was like, okay. So I hung up. 1 second later, my monster came in my body. Literally, it was like fucking me. You know, I got so angry that I called again. I said, I need to talk to Melanie, your manager. Because, you know, I'm really good with names. So luckily, I remember the fucking name. That's how angry I was that I remember the fucking manager. So the manager gets in, and I was like, this is Kesey's mom, blah, blah, blah. And I was told that I can't come in. So you're telling me that after I spent all this money for his anal and his shots, you can't see him because you're getting ready to close? That's unacceptable. And so I told her, if you don't see him, I'm going to report you guys. So she told me, no, we'll work something out. Just come in. How far are you? I'm like, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Like, I'm 5 minutes away. She's like, yeah, like, she was nice. She's like, and I was like, you all need to, like, train your front desk to help the customers better. Like, this is unacceptable. You know, she just wanted to brush me off real quick, you know?
Didn't you have an appointment?
Yeah, but like I had to go back.
Yeah, I remember.
She had the allergies. Yeah, she had the allergies. So I had to go back around 4:30. But she had me on hold for like 5, then another 5. So it became like 5:40 something. I'm literally driving, rushing to get there before 5 because they were sending me to the ER, the stupid front desk girl.